As some of you are aware, the third generation owner of Harris Water Main and Sewer Contractors passed away this year from Alzheimer's.
Since it's Alzheimer's Awareness Month, we wanted to take some time out and spread the word, as well as celebrate the wonderful person she was.
I love Gaga because it was my daddy's mommy, and I love going to Flower with her, and I love her and miss her so much.
So I had the pleasure of working with Laurie when I first started at the office. I was always impressed by how sweet she was, and just generally concerned about everyone who worked for her. She took the time out to get to know everyone and made sure she spoke to everyone. There were always sweet little gifts for us on our desk for every holiday that you can imagine. And it was just the level of thoughtfulness that she always put into everything that she did.
My girl was so special to me since she used to give me lots of hugs and kisses and carrying those Tootsie Rolls for me.
My girl was so special to me because she used to make sure I got to do everything I wanted to do, and she even took me to my first Broadway show. My girl made sure I had everything I wanted when I wanted it.
I had the pleasure of sharing an office with Laurie for a few years. We shared many laughs together. Usually they were at the expense of our old project manager, Dan.
My sister and I called her Gaga. I gave her that nickname. She gave me this watch. Whenever I look at it, I think of her. I love her.
In honor of Laurie, we have created a donation page directed to a program she attended called Early Onset at the JCC.
As well as a limited edition sweatshirt.
And we know everyone loves our sweatshirts.
Yes. Here is an opportunity to receive a special one.
If you have had any interaction with Laurie throughout your life, we would love to hear it.
Comment below on the person we all loved.
Thank you.